Good morning, my G's, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I have a shoe that's really special to me. It is my own shoe and I've owned it for almost 3 weeks now, and I can't even start to tell you how attached I am. I honestly wait for days where I'm doing an outfit that I can wear them on because I love wearing them. I love looking at my feet when I wear them, and I love walking around in them. So as some of you might have already guessed, it is a Union 4 Jordan and it's a Noir colorway. I'm sorry if you were expecting me to say guava. I will do the guavas unboxing soon, but for now I'll do the Noirs because, believe it or not, I like them better. Starting with the box, these come in a very distinct, unique box. I think no other shoe comes in this box, and that's pretty cool. But it's this nice dull pastel yellow color in matte with the Union logo and these hands on it in gloss. I think that just looks so cool. It's such a cool looking box, and it's contrasted with this like powder blue, almost UNC looking in the back with the Nike logos and the Union Jordan logo. And it's just such a beautiful box. Yeah. And on the inside, after you open this box, you've got this beautiful wrapping paper that's Michael Jordan signing an autograph. And it's just so cool. You know, the first time when I opened this box and saw this wrapping paper inside, I was like, okay, that's great. Because you know, it just adds so much more to the experience of the shoe. And I think I love it. I love it when Union does things like that, or any collab, or Nike themselves. And when they add these small little touches that make you feel so much more special. I do have another wrapping paper for my guavas kept outside so that I can give you all a better look. As you can see, it is a picture of Michael Jordan signing a small piece of paper, signing an autograph for a fan. It's just so cool. And I love how there's like one fan trying to like touch him in the back. I'd be that guy. Just put this away. And inside the box, you get your shoes, obviously. And you also get a set of extra laces. I have yet not tried to see how these laces look. I've not done this lace swap yet, but I shall soon do it and will post pictures on my Instagram when I do it. Here we have it, the Jordan 4 Noir. And as some of you might have already figured, I have opened the tongue on this one. And I'm so glad I did, because at first I thought I wouldn't open it because it's what set the shoe apart from other Jordan 4s. Like, it's the only Jordan 4 that doesn't have its tongue open, tongue out. But then I'm so glad I opened it because it looks so much better now. It looks like a Jordan 4 now, and I'm a really, really big fan of the look now. And the materials on the shoe are so great. The suede is so nice to touch. Like, you wouldn't believe that it's a 160-pound retail shoe. I feel like a retail of 16,000 is nothing for a shoe like this. Like, I'm sure the materials on it cost way more. Yeah, you got this nice suede running all around, and these grills here to touch exactly feel like what touching a badminton racket feels. Like, it's pretty much the same material, and that's so nice. Like, it's such a different. Imagine touching your shoe and feeling like you're touching a racket. And then you've got the Union hang tag. I think this hang tag's pretty cool, but I can never wear the shoes with the hang tag because that's literally what it keeps doing. And I don't know how people who do it, but shout out to the people who can manage that. Then, true to the Union fashion, you've got the Union LA logo in there. It is hidden by the wing, and some people do cut out the wings on these, but I choose not to do that because I really like how it looks. And I think it's what sets it apart from other Jordan 4, but all of them have their wings cut out while this doesn't. In the back, you've got the Nike Air logo in red, and again, I think just adds so much contrast to the shoe with this blue set behind it. I'm so happy they went with this blue because I saw some other mock-ups of the other colorways that they were thinking for the Unions, and I'm just so happy this is the one they made because I love this shoe. I cannot say how much I love it. I mean, the sole, this nice pastel yellow sole that again matches the yellow on the box. I think it's just so gorgeous. It makes the shoe stand out so much. Like, which other black shoe has a pastel yellow sole? It's just great. And inside on the air bubbles, you've got the same yellow as these laces. And again, such attention to detail. It's just so impressive. Yeah, that's all for the Jordan 4 Unions. And I also have something special for y'all. So I haven't done the tongue on the shoe yet. So I thought I'll wait to do it for y'all. So basically, that's the back part, and you need a seam ripper like that. You just take a seam ripper and you pull out all the thread in the back, and then after that all you got to do is hold it from here and start pulling it out. As simple as that. There we go. Let me know in the comments if you think it looked better before or if it looks better now. And another thing I want to talk to you all about the Jordan 4 Union is, in my personal opinion, like I went through 2 sizes with them and got a UK 8. But the thing is, I have a little wide feet. So if you have wide feet, I would say go half a size up, because the insole in the shoe is really weird. So it's got this like bump on the side, and that always, because it's bumped, your feet are always like that, and it's always pushing towards the wall of the shoe, and it just makes the whole like side of your feet red and hurt. I'd really say go half a size up if you have wide feet. And for resale predictions, these shoes are doing pretty well right now, but I'm sure with time they will do much better. So if you haven't got one yet, get one now, because they will get expensive over time. And if you're planning to buy one to hold, it is again a very great idea. And I would say go for bigger sizes above UK 8 and below UK 12. Maybe UK 10 is a very good size to hold in these. And if you're gonna buy them to wear, then there's no better time than right now. The sooner the better, because it's just going up and up every day. Yeah, that's it for the Jordan 4 Unions. I hope you all had a good time, and we shall do another unboxing soon. Take care. Bye bye.